Hey, this is D Revolution. How y'all doing? This is the Writer Circle. Please subscribe to this channel. I've written 3 books, 4 screenplays, and I've recorded 3 poetry CDs. This is the channel that's gonna give you advice from a writer's perspective. I've been writing for 30 years. I've studied storytelling, and I just want you to subscribe here, and I can give you a little bit of advice on going forward on how to write your book and self-publish your book and things like that. In this video, we're gonna talk about the beauty of writing and the difficulties of writing. So basically, the beautiful thing about writing is when you write a story, the story really takes on a life of its own. When you're writing a story, you might have one perception in your head, but when you start writing it, the story starts to take a different path than what you anticipated. Great thing. Now, one of the difficult parts is, and listen to me very closely, when you get through writing your book and you're going back to read it, you want to make changes, you want to edit, you misspelled a word here or whatever. And sometimes you may read a part of your story that don't really make sense the way you put that together. It don't really sound correct. And you're like, what did I mean when I said that right there? Okay, now, some of you are uh, cocky enough to say, okay, whatever I meant to say here, I'm sure they'll get it. Big mistake. You don't want to do that. If you read your book, if you're going back to read it, and you get to a part where you're not sure what it says, the reader's not going to understand it either. You must figure it out and change it to make it better. If you can't figure it out, they're not going to figure it out. Or if you can't figure it out, it's not going to look right. Somebody may figure it out, but it's not going to read correctly. Why? Because you, the author, are not able to read it correctly. But a lot of times the authors, respectfully, and they don't want to mess with it. But if you're double reading your work and you see something that's not really clear on this particular page, that the way you worded it, the way what you're trying to come across versus the way you worded it, you have to make that change. I'm D Revolution. Please like and subscribe to my page. I'm gonna teach you a whole lot, but I need you to subscribe. I need subscribers. Go to my Facebook and Facebook group, Black Books for United States, and join the group. And please like this particular video and push my algorithms up. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a great day.